Hello everybody, I hope you guys are doing great today. Are you great today? Yes, you are. Well, if that is the case, I'm going to welcome you to one of the motivational videos which I'm going to tell you today. This is all about a 10-year-old boy from Kerala. Now, for those of you who do not know where is Kerala, this is one of the southern states in India, and he speaks in vernacular, that is in Malayalam. Okay, this boy was randomly shooting a video at his home, and he was teaching somebody how to make paper crafts. So he was trying to make a paper flower, and he was explaining to his audience how that to be done. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Nitin Philip, and you guys are watching Next and Needs. Let's watch this video now. Don't skip it. I know some of you might not understand what he's saying, but I'll put subtitles so you will understand what this boy is trying to say. And after watching this video, let's come back because I have a great story to tell you today.
Hi friends, ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഒരു പൂവാണ്. ഇങ്ങനത്തെ പൂവ്. അതിനുള്ള ആവശ്യം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണമെങ്കിൽ പെൻസിൽ എടുക്കാം. ഞാൻ പെൻസിൽ എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, കത്രിക, പേപ്പർ. ഇത് മാത്രം മതി. ഇനി നമുക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു മടക്കി ഒരു ഷേപ്പ് ആക്കണം. വെട്ടാണ് ഞാൻ വെച്ച അവിടെ നിങ്ങളൊക്കെ വെട്ടുക. നിങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ തുടങ്ങിയിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ വെട്ടുക. ഞാൻ വെട്ടി കഴിഞ്ഞു. നമുക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ വെട്ടിയ പകുതി ഉണ്ടാവുമല്ലോ, അത് ഇങ്ങനെ തുറന്ന് നോക്കുക. ചിലരുടെ റെഡിയാവും, ചിലരുടെ റെഡിയാവില്ല. എൻ്റെ റെഡി ആയില്ല. എൻ്റെ ഇങ്ങനെ രണ്ട് ഷേപ്പായിട്ട് ആയി വന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ എൻ്റെ റെഡി ആയില്ല. എൻ്റെ ഒരു വാറ മോഡലാണ് വന്നത്. ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു പൂവ് ഇങ്ങനെ ആക്കണം. പലതും അങ്ങനെ ആയാലും നമുക്കൊരു കുഴപ്പമില്ല. നമുക്ക് പലത് ഒരു ഇതായാലും നമുക്ക് പല.
I hope all of you have seen that video, isn't it? Well, I'm not very keen about what he was saying in that video, but I'm stick with three things this boy is trying to tell. Alright? So he says three things in his video. One is that for some it might get it right, for some it might not get it right. I tried, it did not work for me, but I'm not upset. Did you hear that? For me, these are one of the key fundamentals of motivation for anyone. Now, if you think that you have lost in life, if you think that you did not succeed the way you expected, or if you are in distress, and if due to this corona pandemic, I'm pretty much sure that there are many of you who are out there must be struggling at this point. But here the relevance comes. So this boy, he's very innocently saying, okay, he was trying to make something, but it didn't work. It is very much visible in his video. This boy says miraculous three sentences. One is, for some, it might get it right. What does that mean? If you try, sometimes you might get the result you expect. And for some, it might not get it right. Again, you tried something, it did not work for you. And he is sharing his experience. He tried to make a flower, but he got something totally different. And he's saying, I tried, it did not work for me, but I am not upset. So listen to that last statement. He says he is not upset. This is what we should think about our life. We might get involved in many things. Sometimes it might come on our way. Sometimes you get totally opposite result. There are enough reasons for you to be upset. But if you stay upset and if you sit down not working on it, my friends, you're not going to succeed. You have the potential within you to beat any odds, any difficult situations in life. It is a matter of time. You need to stand up and fight. Success is for people who are ready to fight. And I have failed many times in my life. I have failed miserably, but then I never gave up. I woke up and I fought. And today I can proudly tell you with my experience that you can also do it. And I'm pretty sure that this video will enlighten many of you. Stay blessed. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, see ya.